What's up, guys? Today we're going to be creating a simple ReactJs Hello World application. The good thing about this video is that you don't have to be an experienced programmer. You just have to be able to follow along with with these steps. And you will also need NodeJs and an IDE or LE of your choice installed on your computer. If you don't know how to install NodeJs, there will be a link in the description, but you could just travel to nodejs.org and choose the installer that best corresponds to your operating system. I'm on Mac, so I would choose Mac OS installer. If you're on Windows, you could just hit Windows, and it's probably going to be a 64-bit if it's a current computer. And then IDE, LE, I use Visual Studio Code. I used to use Atom as well, but you can go to Visual Studio Code, Google that, and then just go to code.visualstudio.com, and then you just hit download. But let's get into it. And yeah, so first we are going to minimize this and open up your terminal or command prompt if you're using Windows, and we're going to type this really simple command: npx space create dash react dash app, and then we're going to say the title of our application. For this video, I'm going to say hello world, and I'm going to hit enter. Now, this is going to do is just going to install the necessary dependencies for our application. So we are installing React, React DOM, React scripts, and then our create React app template. Really simple. This usually takes my computer about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Your computer might be faster, but nothing we can do right here. Just wait and be patient. All right, usually when it gets halfway done, we just skip towards the end a little bit. We'll see what it does. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Template dependencies using npm. Great, so we ran the script and we have the correct installations and dependencies installed. So next we're gonna open our IDE. Visual Studio Code for me, it could be Atom for you. The most important part is opening the folder where that application was created. So for me, I could show you guys where to find that too. So if we go up, it'll actually tell you creating a new React app in, and I'll give you the file or folder location. So I need to be in users, Cristion Brown. So let's see, open folder. I'm already in Cristion Brown, and then we can see our application right here, hello world. Awesome. So now we have our application folder. We have our public files, our source files, and we're going to go up to terminal and new terminal. Now, this is a feature for Visual Studio Code. If you don't have this in Atom, you can just go back to your command prompt or terminal and just hit this command, npm space start. And this is going to run our, what did we just do? Yeah, I got to go into the folder. Sorry about that. Let's see. Let's do it ls. So you have to run this command in the application folder. So now we have to cd, which just changes the directory into the folder we just created, hello world, and now we can run this command, npm space start. And like I said before, this will run your application in the browser. There's nothing you need to do. There we go. So we have our content in the center of the page, and essentially we are going to change this content, make it look a little bit uglier. So let's go back to our IDE, and we are going to go into our source directory, and then we're going to hit app.js. And here we can see all the content that resembles this view. So we want to create a hello world application. So we are going to, it's already highlighted, re-highlight it, delete this section, and we're just going to type hello world, if I can spell world correctly, exclamation mark, and then we're going to save it. So on Mac, I use Command S, or Windows, it might be Control S, or you could just manually go to File and then Save. So once it's saved, we have a fresh live reload, and we see hello world there. Now say this color really bothers you and you want black font, you want to go standard. All we have to do is just delete the classes in the higher components and elements, class name, app, and then just save again. And there we go. So there we just created our very own hello world application in ReactJs. Now from this, we can start getting into CSS frameworks like Materialize or Bootstrap. But now, we just want to get the basics done, and we can edit content to fit our needs. So thank you guys. If you like this video, it'd mean the world to me if you could just give a like under the video, or maybe even a subscribe if you want. It makes me know that I'm doing something good and I'm adding value. If you have any problems, be sure to stick them in the comments section, and I will get back to you on solutions that could help you out. So thanks guys for following this tutorial. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.